No more rumors, because it's official. The Nintendo Switch 2 has launched. Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and today let's get into the ultimate gaming upgrade. This video will be your super quick guide to everything you need to know about the Nintendo's powerhouse, the Nintendo Switch 2. So let's get to know what you're getting this time inside the box. First of all, you'll be having the Switch 2 console screen, then a pair of upgraded Joy-Con 2 controller, a charging dock, a USB-C type charger and a cable, two wrist strap for the controllers, and of course some user manuals. Sleek design and sharp display. The Nintendo Switch 2 has a 7.9 inches LCD display this time with 1080 resolutions supporting HDR10 and a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you are gaming out or you are sitting at your home, you'll witness some crisp visuals and super performance. Introducing the Joy-Con 2 controllers, and these are not your usual controllers. They feature magnetic attachments and even function like a proper computer mouse on compatible surfaces. Plus, with HD Rumble 2 and a C button, your gaming experience will be much better from this time. Power pack performance. Moving on to what's inside the Switch 2, it is powered by a custom Nvidia Tegra T239 chip with DLSS and Ray Tracing. It also comes with a 12GB LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB of internal storage, committing faster loading and seamless gameplays. Built-in GameChat and camera. You can now talk or video chat with up to 12 friends directly from your console while gaming using the new GameChat feature. There's even a USB-C camera built in, making the multiplayer feel more connected than ever. It's free till March 2026, after which it will come under the plan of Switch Online games. The backward compatibility. Now the good part is most of your old Switch games are available in this module too, and both physical and digital titles are supported, while some of the old features like IR sensors are no longer available here. Some of your games will be getting a performance boost, while other ones will be updated in the Switch 2 edition for a better gaming experience. You can straight away dive into the Mario Kart World and prepare for Donkey Kong Bananza, releasing on July 17th. Other upcoming titles include Metroid Prime 4 Beyond, Elden Ring Tarnished Edition, Kirby Air Rides, and you can even enjoy classic like F-Zero GX and the Wind Walker through the extension pack of Nintendo's Switch Online pack. Now comes its price. The Nintendo Switch 2 is priced $449, and with a special bundle of Mario Kart World, it's available at $499. While the pre-orders are being sold out, you can still get it from Walmart, Target, Best Buy and GameStop. Just be quick because the stock is limited, and you can check their buying links from here only. From stunning visuals to upgrade in the controls, screen and latest feature of real-time chatting and the solid gaming lineup, the Nintendo Switch 2 is more than a refresh update after 8 long years from the Nintendo Switch 1. So what's your call? Just let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and what else, just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.